Okay, so most of you guys are here because of the title. Who am I dating? So let's just get that one out of the way. No one, nobody, not a single person. That guy is the only guy that cuddles with me at night. This guy. No one else. Like, y'all need to stop asking me this question. Do I want to date anyone? No. Am I looking for someone? No. Do I have a crush on someone? No one relevant. Shawn Mendes, he's all the way in Hollywood. He'll probably never meet me ever in his life. And that's it. That is it. Like, nobody, guys. Andi Joleki. Can we just put that on riffs? Because I'm starting to feel offended right now. Thank you. So now that we've gotten that over and done with, let's get into the actual video.
The world is an amazing place. There is so much to do and so much to see. And I want you all to do it with me. So fix your crown and let's go on an adventure.
Well, hey guys, welcome to my channel. You guys make me so happy. Anyway, so cool. I've done this video before and I'll admit I was hella rude in that video. Hella rude. I didn't actually answer anything. I really didn't. I know that. I acknowledge that. I am sorry. I was in a bad mood because some of the questions that I actually didn't read out loud were terrible, and it just put me in a bad mood, and I'm sorry. So let's try this again. Give me another chance. Before we do, please press the subscribe button. So I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram, WhatsApp and Facebook, and I got a lot of QnA questions. I had a QnA link, and yeah, so I'm going to be answering those today. And I know today was supposed to be the Thailand vlog, however it's proving a nightmare to edit, and yeah, so that will probably be next week's video. So we're just doing this one last minute. Like, I'm legit, it's like late at night. I'm legit, ooh, Snapchat, hey, I'm legit doing it like, yeah, the night before it's supposed to be up. So let's go. Okay, so first question, do you enjoy the life that you are living? No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Do you have a boyfriend? Okay, I'm just gonna skip all the boyfriend and dating and whatever. Are you treated differently because you are yo? Which degree are you studying? LLB. What's it like being rich? I don't know yet. I'll let you know when I'm in my private jet and going to Paris for lunch. So subscribe so that I get money like other YouTube kids, you know? Thank you. Thank you. And then I can tell you, and then I can answer such questions. What is your favorite movie? Why did I say that aggressively? I need to calm down. What is my favorite movie? I can't pick one, there's a lot. What is your favorite? Who is your favorite YouTuber? There's this amazing girl. She is so cute. Her name is Makhadzi Mukhuba. Go check her channel out. She's great. What is your favorite YouTube channel? It was a two-part question. My favorite channel is the Dr. Phil YouTube channel, because like I love binge watching it. It makes me feel better about my life. Like, yeah. What's your favorite food? So there's this place, right? It sells like 2 stacks of waffles. 2 stacks of waffles. On top of those waffles there's 2 stacks of crispy fried chicken breasts, and then 2 bacon rashers, and then with a side of coleslaw and a side of chutney sauce. Guys, it's the reason why I gained 10 kgs last year, like no joke. And I still have the 10 kgs on me, as you can see, but it's fine. We'll be fine, since I'm right. I'm so cute. What was your favorite grade in high school? I hated high school. What's your favorite song currently? Buzz down, Babiana Buzz. I'm joking. No, I'm legit joking. My favorite song currently, I also like the movies. I can't pick one. I really can't. Is there a person that you'd like to meet one day? Michelle Obama. What inspired your pink Barbie love? I don't know, guys. Honestly, I woke up one day and I just liked pink. No, I actually woke up one day and I saw everything of mine was pink, and then that's when I realized that I actually like pink. It wasn't, I don't know, Ujiwaking. Right now, currently, right now, honestly, nothing. Kishap. Kishap. I'm not even gonna try to bring up problems. I just sang no such thing as a life that's better than yours. Kishap. Who don't you? Oof, what's happening with my English? It's after 6, guys. My English has left the building. Do you need a female teen photography model? Why would I? When I release some merch, when you guys subscribe and I'm that relevant and I can release merch, maybe subscribe. Thank you. If you could go to another country and reside there for a year, which country would you choose to go to? Canada. What is your dream car? Barbie Jeep, or a G-Wagon? What are the 2 things that you hate being asked about yourself? Do I have a boyfriend? Or when am I graduating? What am I studying? Whatever. I know you say 2 things, but like some things are not your business, guys. Especially things that are that offensive, you know. Like, also, do you pay my school fees? What warrants you to ask me about my graduation? Hey, do you pay my school fees? Hey, no, you don't. Okay, stay in your lane. Thank you. Will you live in a pink house? No, I don't like pink that much. I think it would drive me crazy to live in an all pink house. Maybe a house that has a base color of like black and or white, and then accents of pink, like accessories that are pink. Like, because even this room, only that wall is pink, and then the rest of the room is like cream, white. Yeah. I had a room before that was all pink, and it was hot, you know. It's fine, like when you have like pink splashes of pink, not everything of yours be pink. I know it's weird coming from the pink queen, but yeah. Do you believe in fairy tales? Yes. How are you gonna raise your kids? Am I gonna have kids? What are you studying? Okay. What keeps you motivated? Honestly, guys, I'm just trying to give my dog the life that she deserves. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay. What would you do if your brother likes a girl that you that's switch up though? What would you do if your brother had a girl that you likes a girl that you have a problem with? So watch my when your friend gets into a relationship video. Basically, in a nutshell, you cannot compete with pillow talk. Whether it's your family member or your friend, you cannot compete with pillow talk. Stay out of it, otherwise you're gonna lose your brother. So stay out of it. Let just believe that he's gonna see it himself. What was that? That he's gonna see it for himself eventually. Trust the process. When I don't enter it. I am 21 and I've never been in a relationship at all, and all my friends are meeting people and finding love. I feel like I'm invisible. Hectic. You see, these are the questions that I like, questions that I can sprinkle some wisdom on. Okay, so here we go. Baby girl, you are 21 years old. You are hella young. Same as me. I'm not 21, but I'm hella young, and the boys that are around our age are dumb. They are stupid. They are still trying to navigate the world. They're still playing around. Why would you want that for yourself? See it as a blessing. But I understand your friends are going on vacations. You see the hashtag big goals and whatever. Do it for yourself. I have gotten to the point where I send myself flowers. I send myself sunflowers. I'm not ashamed to say it. If I want to go eat at a restaurant, I go. If I wanna go to a movie, I call my friends. If they are occupied, then I go by myself. I date myself because I need to love myself so that I don't feel the whole oh my gosh, you know, whatever. And I cuddle. Get yourself a teddy bear. You know when you feel cold and you wish that you had someone to cuddle with? But like, in all honesty, I get it. I really get it. However, you are out of their league. You are probably overqualified. It's not that you're invisible. They see you. Baby girl, trust that they see you, but they know that you are not for them right now. And God is out there. He has molding, panel beating your man, just so that he can be ready for you. Your husband, baby girl, when you're walking down that lane and he's crying, you are gonna forget that you've ever felt like this. Trust, God is molding him. So you need to allow yourself to be molded by God so that you are ready to receive the love that that man is gonna give to you. Okay? The heart that was meant to love you. Yeah. But not right now. Right now you're 21 years old, you are very young. Focus on your school, focus on your studies, focus on your shmoney, focus on whatever you're doing right now with your life. A guy is just gonna derail you and disturb you. Get your house, get your car, be independent so that no man can come and say that he made you. And then when you do get a man, you know that it's a proper union, you know? It's solidified. What? Anyway. Also, the whole dating yourself, I'm serious about that. I wasn't joking. Date yourself, love yourself, know yourself, and allow yourself to be worked on by God. Hallelujah. I like the way you dress. Where do you buy your dresses? And if I ask for one, would you give it to me? Probably DM me. I give away my dresses for like matric dances. And where do I get my dresses? I get them the thing is, they don't have a solid social media account. It's just some place where I just go, like, I'll ask them if I can put their numbers down here, and then I'll put their numbers down there. But if not, then how do you help somebody that is going under depression? You don't. Their family doesn't, because none of you guys are qualified to do it. And this is actually very serious. You guys aren't qualified to do it. They need professional help. No matter how much you love the person, you cannot help them. The most you can do is be there for them, but don't take it into your own hands. They need professional help. I learned this lesson the hard way, and the person ended up killing themselves just because I thought I could save the day. So no, they need professional help. What advice would you give yourself? What advice would you give to an 18-year-old who's about to turn 19? Enjoy your birthday. I don't know. What are some of the things that varsity taught you? I'm actually going to do a video about that. Where do you buy your clothes? Now, people think I'm snacks when I don't answer such questions. They think I'm those people that withdraw information. Guys, I will plug you. I am here to plug you. However, you can't ask such a vague question. Where did I get this? I got it from a surprise. Where did I get this bandana? Probably Small Streets. Where did I get this? Mr. Price. You have to be specific about the item, because like, my closet is made up of very different stores, and then you'll say I'm a snacks person. Come on, guys. Like, ask specifically where I get my clothes, what item of clothing you're talking about, and I'll be more than happy to plug you. Besides makeup, what is your idea of fun? I can have fun literally doing anything. Honestly, I'm one of those people that, but most of the time I like activities, like things that I can get my hands dirty with, like, you know, things I can play with. I can, like, you know, like activities, going outside and doing stuff and going to places and exploring, and that is what I like to do for fun. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope this time I was nicer and I actually answered the questions that were asked. Yeah, thank you guys for giving me a second chance. And yeah, don't leave before you subscribe, please. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you next week, probably with the Thailand vlog. But that vlog is gonna be a mess, I am telling y'all right now. However, thank you, bye.